In this video, we'll be searching for existing cases and looking at an open case. Right now we're on the main cases page off of the main navigation, and from this page you can add new cases or search for existing cases. We have 4 quick search options, including search by case number, and then 3 quick searches based off of frequently used field combinations. We also have advanced search options that have multi-select capabilities on all of the searchable fields, and they're expandable and collapsible with some simple JavaScript. On advanced search, you can also choose what fields you'd like to see in the search results. So by default, case date, location, and description show up. I'm going to add the status and category, and I'm going to search for a few public categories. And then I'm going to search for only open cases. In our search results, we have 2 display options, but you can add more by querying the database. So currently we have a standard, and then we have a sort by category. And when you sort by category, you see the number of cases associated with each category in your search. Under the search, you also see what search parameters you've chosen, and you can close one of those search parameters and take it out of your search, and it'll automatically refresh your search results. Then you also have the sort by fields, and these are also related to the fields that you chose to display. Search results are also paginated. I think right now we only have 1 page worth of search results, but if I get rid of the open status, then we have 2 pages. Now if I click on one of these cases, it's going to take me to that case page. The case page is divided into panels. The first panel is what I consider the metadata of the case, and each of those fields that are editable shows the edit icon. If I click on one of the edit icons, each one has its own pop-up with that form to change that icon, or to change that field. The next panel is case actions. Case actions are all of the actions a staff member performs on a case that needs to go into the log. So right now, Bloomington has 3 case actions, or you can add new actions easily in the admin panel. Both changes to the metadata and new case actions all go into the history. So anytime you change who a case is assigned to, or change the category of a case, or you add some sort of inspection or follow-up, it'll all go into this history. The next panel is associated issues. Multiple issues can be associated with the same case. This is so that we can record multiple public reportees who are having the same issue. So if someone reports an issue using an iPhone app, and then someone else calls into a department about the same issue, you'll record both of them in the same case, but the case is resolved using only one set of actions. So this allows staff members to only have to work with one case and record their actions once, as opposed to having to do it multiple times if multiple people report about the same thing. So if I add an issue, it's going to keep the same history and the same metadata, and then I'm going to choose myself as the reporting person. Same history. I'm going to say that I called about this issue. So now there's multiple issues. You can see that this one doesn't have a reported by. That means that the person that reported this did not choose to leave their name, and we allow for anonymous reports. And then the second issue has my name. The last panel is information about the location. If this location had multiple cases associated with it, then you would see the cases associated here. We also include any other location information we have. This address span is Google estimating where a person was when they sent this report with their iPhone.